Welcome to K Academy. I am Keval Vijay and I am going to teach you Excel lecture number 50. Today we will talk about visible cells. In this, I am going to teach you two very important commands. The first is that if you have any table created and you have written data here and you want to select only the written data while the rest of the sheet should not be selected, how will we do that? The second is that whenever you copy data from here, for example, let's say I hide one of the columns here. First, I right-clicked here and hid it from here. So the rate column has now been hidden here. Now after that, you copy it from here. And after copying, when you go to any other place and paste it, let's zoom in here. And as we click here to paste, you'll see that the rate column, which you had hidden, has also been pasted here. However, this shouldn't be pasted, so what we want is that only the visible cells are copied, and apart from that, we want only the visible data to be selected. So how do we do this? Today, I am going to teach you this. So before we get started, as always, I just want to say that if you learn something new from this video, if you gain some new knowledge, then don't forget to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, let's unhide our S column. And as you can see, we have some data here. First, we'll talk about how to select this. There are two ways to select. For the table you have here, to select the data inside it, press Ctrl. The second way is to select only this data and not anything else. If we want to select only the data written inside this table, then for that, on your keyboard, you need to press Alt and semicolon together. That is, the key next to L, press Alt and semicolon, and after that, press Ctrl on your keyboard. You will see that only the data inside the table is selected and nothing else is selected. If you don't want to use this keyboard shortcut either, then what you need to do is use the quick access toolbar at the top here. I noticed that I had already added the command named select visible cells to the quick access toolbar, so you can also add this command to your own quick access toolbar. First, I'll right click and remove this command from here so I can show you how to add it. So you need to go to the quick access toolbar, click on the drop down and then click on more commands. As soon as you click on more commands, the Excel options dialog box will open in front of you. Now look here at the quick access toolbar, it's highlighted. After that, what you need to do is go to popular commands and here click on commands. Then you need to go to the category starting with S. Even if you don't see the S category, you can just type S here and the category will be selected for you. Here we need select visible cells. So using the drop down, scroll down, and as you scroll down, you'll see the command select visible cells. Click on it, add it, and click OK. After clicking OK, this command will be added here for you. And when you bring the cursor here, you'll see the shortcut key Alt plus semicolon displayed. Now when you click here and then press Ctrl on the keyboard, you'll see that only the data inside is selected while this other data is not selected. Now, after that, what do we need to do? We want only the visible data here to be copied. So what we need to do is come to the red area, right click and first hide it. See, the data has now been hidden. Hold down the Control key and select this. After selecting, what you need to do next is press Ctrl plus G. After pressing Ctrl plus G, the Go to Special box will appear in front of you. Go to Special and then click on Visible Cells Only. We only want to copy the visible cells. Click OK and then copy it. After copying, go to sheet number 3 and let's increase the zoom here. Then as soon as you click here and paste, you'll see that only the visible data has come through. The red data has not appeared here. So this was today's lecture in which I taught you how you can select only the visible cells, and after copying only the visible cells, only that data will be pasted which you have copied. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you like the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.